Oh, lucky.
This is
lucky
damage.
You had it.
Oh my God, my vehicle's damaged.
Lucky you didn't bust the windows. I say yours is the worst one.
Mine is, I bet you, mine's a write-off.
Look at that. The windows are broke to shit.
This is our neighbor next door. There's the window. Did you just miss it?
Yeah, barely.
I think ours is totaled off.
Yeah, well.
You guys should have parked over there.
That's not my vehicle. Mine's that one with the broken sunroof and damaged windshield. You should see the side of my vehicle. It's just the huge dent.
I got a dent in my motorcycle. Then look at the top of his car. Oh, you already covered that? You already had cover on this?
Well, we tried, but look on top.
Oh, this will still stay dry, right? Or no?
Now we're not opening up the sunroof.
Oh, my hood is dented.
New car.
Oh, yeah.
Truck.
Broke his windshield window out.
Is this your truck?
No, but I noticed the windows broke out and they're not here.
I was videoing the whole hailstorm.
Jeez.
So if they want to know, if they want a copy of this,
This is for
wow,
comparison.
that's the size of that
This
hail.
thing's bigger than my belly.
Oh my
got a big
goodness. Just let the people know that I've got a video.
Well, we might head out. I don't know. We may head on back. But we'll tell them where they're at.
Well, look at the top of his car.
Look at the trailer all beat up.
Papa, look at the top.
I don't. It's probably rode off.
You think so?
Oh, yeah.
Is it gonna be towed?
Load up.
Like today? So today.
See, I did save the roof a bit with this. See?
Well, out our windows with this girl.
Let's get a bag and we'll clean this.
Okay. Can I bite it?